May I come in, sir? Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yeah, please take your seat. Hari Ram.
Yes, sir.
Good. So how are you?
Fine, sir.
Hari Ram. You had your breakfast or lunch?
I did breakfast.
Okay. Yes. So please introduce yourself.
Sir, my
Just
name
take
is
1 minute. Yeah.
Sir, my name is Hariram. I am from Nagaur district of Rajasthan. I completed my graduation in civil engineering from MNIT Jaipur. Currently, I am working with Indian Oil Corporation Limited, a senior engineering officer. My current responsibility include I am posted as site engineer overlooking after project works and maintenance works also.
Okay, Nagaur. Why Nagaur is important in Rajasthan?
Sir, Nagaur, one is there Makrana white marble.
White marble. Okay. So how much? Where is the demand of white marble?
Sir, I don't know exactly.
Which other place in India have white marble?
Sir, I don't think any other place is there.
No other. Just look into it.
Yes.
Okay. Now you just tell, like these days different kind of tiles, very advanced tiles, technologically advanced tiles have come. So have they reduced the demand of marbles in building construction?
Yes, sir. They reduce demand significantly.
In what way they are superior to marble?
Sir, in cost wise they are less costly.
Marble is more expensive.
Yes, sir.
No, but what other, like marble have certainly some qualities which are making them the preferred ones.
Sir, marble is durable and other strength wise marble is good. But also water absorption qualities are good for marble. But for tiles, marble is not available at all the places, sir. White marble, which is in Makrana, that is not available at all other places. Availability of material at different locations, that is the issue. You can't get marble at anywhere in the India.
Okay. Did you have time to read today's newspaper?
No, sir.
You did not have time. Now it is going to be 12. Do you have habit of reading the newspaper or keeping yourself aware of the current
There
things
is one
going on?
mobile app in sorts I used to go through.
Mobile app.
Yes.
So did you see the mobile app today?
Today, sir, I see.
What is the important news of today?
Sir, when I see about the cloud seeding in Delhi going on, they will do in 29th, they will do cloud
I'm
seeding.
not even hearing you properly.
Sir, 29th, they will do cloud seeding to curb the pollution in
Cloud
Delhi.
seeding.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how is that done, cloud seeding?
So in cloud seeding, through the helicopter, they put the silver iodide, sir, they put in the air.
What is the purpose of cloud seeding?
Sir, artificial rain will be there, then all the dust particle will settle, the pollution will be less.
Okay. And this technology has been available only now, or it was there earlier also?
It was earlier there, sir.
So why it was not used? Delhi has had very high AQI, no, in earlier years.
Sir, for cloud seeding, there should be minimum moisture content. I think 50% is required.
No, but this moisture must be available in earlier times also.
Yes, sir. They might use earlier also.
So it can be used. Do you think that this is the reason that there was a lot of freedom given on pataka use this time in Diwali, crackers use in Delhi?
Sir, there was not for only green crackers. I think they allowed not all the.
No, green, all kind of crackers were used, and there was the pollution level shot up very high.
Yes, sir. Pollution level soaked up.
So for that reason, cloud seeding is being tried now.
Sir, what AQI is, I think, sir, from 1 month last week, AQI is very high here.
Earlier, for last 4-5 years, this was not permitted. Why? Was there a court direction or government itself had decided?
Sir, due to Pataka, there is was heavy pollution. On night of Deepavali, there is a heavy surge in the pollution due to cooking gas and.
Do you think government should be taking precautionary measures?
Yes, sir.
That government did not take this time.
Yes, sir. They should.
What could be the reason?
Cloud seeding, I think that only reason. They think they can prevent it through cloud seeding.
I don't understand. The reason you mean to say that because cloud seeding they plan to do, so they are seeing that, okay, how much pollution is there and how much they can control. Is it so?
It will not be reason, sir, but I don't know exact reasons.
You don't know the reason. Okay. Why is climate engineering important? Because there is one branch of engineering for climate change also. So why is that important?
So due to climate change, there is also global warming, sea level is rising, and many cities are sinking due to this. Also, air quality for sustainable, we are not able to sustain in like Delhi. Also, there is our air quality is degrading day by day. So with the development of infrastructure, we need to also ensure that minimum impact should be on the environment.
What are the factors contributing to climate worsening?
Mainly pollution. Just deforesting, major reason one is. Another one is not disposing of waste, whatever solid waste or industrial waste, we are not disposing them properly. Like industry disposal are directly they are disposing in the river or directly in the solid waste disposing on the lands.
Okay, any idea of water engineering to correct this situation? There is one branch of Central Water
Yes, sir.
Corporation or something, no? So what do they do? Because what is the level of river pollution in country?
River pollution, I don't know exact, but very high pollution is there, especially in Yamuna in Delhi, sir.
So do you think water engineers have failed or there are other reasons also?
They don't fail, I think, but we have to put the limit on whatever the industries mainly they're putting the pollution in the river, sir.
Industries come from engineering sector.
But not,
so engineers are failing the country?
I think minimum they are not following the exact guidelines. So whatever the disposal guidelines are there,
they're not following.
Some are following, but some people are not following.
You are aware of this term zero liquid discharge, ZLD? What is that?
So it is any facility, whatever they are, that will not discharge anything outside of their terminal. They will. So IOCL also has such planning that whichever terminal they have, they are planning whatever the discharge waste is there, they will treat it and then reuse. Yes.
Okay. And what are the guidelines for industrial pollution discharge?
So we have to follow CPCB guidelines.
What is CPCB guidelines?
So they have put certain limits on different, wherever we are putting effluents.
There is a news that in Kanpur, the industry is violating the norm. They are putting them underground, and that underground pollution pollutes Ganga again.
Yes.
Is that correct?
It's possible.
So now we have a Control of Pollution Act, Water Pollution Control Act.
Sir, Environment Protection Act 1986 is there.
No, there is different act for water. EPA is different. Water Control of Pollution Act is different.
There is Water Pollution Prevention Act 1974.
Yeah. So what are the powers given to CPCB or SPCB to penalize these organizations, industries or others?
I don't exactly know what are the penalized guidelines. But if they don't follow, then they will penalize. But what are the penalized conditions, I don't know.
That you have no idea. So look into that, because it is possible you have given all the choices, no?
Yes.
So maybe you will get water engineering sector itself. So you should be knowing that. So we'll stop at this, no? All the best. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, Hari. First one, marbles. What is red marble and where it is found?
Red marble, I'm not exact, but Dholpur, I think it might be.
पहले मार्बल की बात करो. धौलपुर is stone. It is found in Makrana only, but in certain very limited mines are there. It is as good as Italian marble. They used it. It is strong. It is elegant, and it is best. What is Katni marble?
Katni, sir, in Maharashtra there is Katni. There is also marble.
Where is Katni?
Maharashtra, sir.
It is in MP. So you have no idea of Katni marble. What is Udaipur green?
Sir, no idea.
It is marble. You should treat in marble because you are from your place. Whether you will use granite or you will use marble,
Sir,
and
depending
which is costlier?
Sir, I think marble is costlier. No, sir, granite is costlier.
Which granite?
Uh,
Green, red or black?
Black
Three.
granite normally, sir, we use kitchen or windows.
Black is because it is cheaper. But red granite is as good as, maybe better than marble. Okay. From there we come to your core work. You are doing working in IOCL at Kandla.
Yes, sir.
Kandla means it is near in the vicinity of Jamnagar. So how many refineries are there?
Jamnagar, sir.
Kandla is nearby Jamnagar, right?
Yes, sir.
How many refineries are there?
So in Jamnagar, Reliance has 2 refineries and 1 refinery is for Naira.
Naira. And one for Indian Oil.
Indian Oil is in Vadodara, sir.
Indian Oil is not, but you say you are in Kandla?
In Kandla is terminal is there, sir.
Huh.
It is
So you
oil.
are working in terminal?
Yes, sir. Only white refined oil we store and supply to different locations.
But there is no refinery.
Refinery is not there, sir.
Achha. Okay, I am corrected. So, what type of pollution it generates on sea surface?
These are the mainly hydrocarbon pollution. Also, metals are there.
You have seen, must have seen, because I had a opportunity to visit twice. So, I have seen what is the state of sea
Yes, sir.
in terms of pollutants.
Yes, sir.
So, these are the things you should know because your work environment, your home environment. So, you should know that. So, what is your present work you are doing in IOCL?
Sir, actually, I am posted as project engineer. Sir, there are some new tank addition we are doing, new tank construction.
You are doing?
New tank construction, existing terminal.
Tanks.
Yes, sir.
That crude oil comes and storage in the tank.
Not MS and petrol or diesel, only refined oil we store.
Refined oil.
Yes, sir.
And how about crude oil?
Crude oil, sir, Kandla we don't do. It's Mundra we store. Through Mundra pipeline we supply to different refineries.
Mundra you store crude oil.
Through Mundra there is a pipeline for Panipat and Mathura refinery also.
It goes directly to refineries. It doesn't come to your storage. Okay, good, very good.
So, Hari Ramji,
Yes, sir.
I saw that you were teaching for a tuition program, right?
Yes, sir.
So, which subjects did you teach?
Sir, it's up to 5th or 6th class student we used to teach. So almost all the subjects I used to teach.
Almost all the subjects. Fine. So, you are constructing the civil works for this tank, storage tank?
Yes, sir. For tank we did pile foundation recently, sir.
Pile foundation. Why pipe foundation? Pile foundation you have to.
Sir, soil bearing capacity of Kandla is very low, and also sir, area is very prone to liquefaction because it's earthquake zone 5 area, sir. So for that there is around 25 meter we found, sir, hard strata. So then we go for piling.
Okay, at 25 meter you have the hard strata. So, you have gone for
Sir, we did soil investigation first.
soil investigation first, and then you decided to go for end bearing piles. Why not friction piles?
Sir, it is composite friction also. Whatever we pile, both it's checking. We counted for both friction as well as end bearing.
Okay. So, how did this benefit to design?
Sir, from if we don't direct footing we provide, then it might settle, sir, because soil is very bearing capacity was found very low, around 2 to 3 ton is per its meter square.
What soil is there?
Upper layer is only reclaimed soil, sir, sandy soil. Or from 2 to 3 meter there is clay, very soft clay is there, sir.
Okay. And what is the grade of concrete you are using?
Sir, M30.
M30 you are using. What type of cement you are using?
Sir, for our project we use OPC 53.
OPC 53. Why not super sulfated cement or high aluminous cement?
Sir, we might use, but our facility was not directly exposed to sea. Like JT structure, they are exposed, then we use supersulfatate. But our is
So
mostly,
there is no problem of sulfate.
sir, is there like, but we go for OPC only.
What is the 7-day strength of OPC 53?
So it will be around 27 megapascal.
And how do you test it?
Sir, cube test.
Are you involved in cube testing? So how many samples are there?
Sir, for different day, how much there is IS 455 guidelines for how much concreting, then we take samples. Like around 40 m cubes we do, and then we have to take 4 samples. To 4 samples, each sample we take, sir, 6 cubes. 3 for 7 days testing and 3 for 28 days testing.
But IS code permits only 28 days strength. Then why do we go for 7 days strength testing?
Sir, if we did 7, if there is concrete is failing, then we get better idea and we can reconstruction we can do timely also. If we wait for 28 days, then there will be too much delay in projects.
Please repeat.
Sir, if we go for 28 testing, then we have to wait for 28 days, sir. If we test at 78 days, let's say our cube failed, sir. So whatever the structure we constructed, we can recast it or we can modify it.
If 7 days cubes are failed, then what? Then will I dismantle the structure?
No, sir, we wait for 28 days result first.
And if 28 days are also failed?
Then, sir, we can first go for NDT testing, rebound hammer or UPV ultrasonic pulse velocity test.
Then why to take the cube? We can go for NDT test only.
Sir, cube, there is certain limitation for, sir, NDT test also. They will give us about the idea of concrete, but not exact. We can't directly rely on them also.
Tell me the drawbacks of NDT test.
Sir, if I take the rebound,
Which NDT test you will go for? First tell me that.
sir, we can go for rebound hammer test, UPV test, and also core cutting test we can go for.
Tell me the limitation of rebound hammer test.
Sir, it will give only about the surface characteristics. Whatever strength will be surface, inner side we can't know. If concrete is not weak in inside, then we can't guess through this test.
Then why you are using it?
It's approximate give us idea of this.
Then what would be the other option of this NDT test?
Sir, ultrasonic pulse velocity we can go for.
Ultrasonic test is foolproof.
Sir, it's better than rebound hammer test. Or it's almost most of times, sir, we use this test.
Okay, ultrasonic. What about reinforcement in ultrasonic test? Will it be detected?
So it will be detected, but it will not that much interfere. Little interference will be there, but not that much.
Not that much.
So we tested for one project we did, so it was coming around whatever the strength is meeting that guidelines.
But you tested on what? Specimen or you tested on concrete?
Sir, there was existing JT structure. So for the repair of that, we did testing of UPV testing. So its strength was coming in the range, sir.
Was there reinforcement?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, Hari. So, the work that you are doing over there, do you design only the foundation or the tanks also?
Sir, I was involved in complete projects, foundation, pile cap, and then tank construction.
Okay. How do we decide the thickness of the tanks?
Sir, tank thickness, we normally use, sir, API 650 guidelines, sir.
No, that is a guideline.
Yes, sir.
You are an engineer. Let's say guideline gives you thickness to be 5 mm. There should be logic, no?
Sir, normally
What is the logic
we
behind
find
that?
whatever with the load and then how much pressure will be there, sir. Then hoof tension, we can find how much
So,
tension.
how do you calculate the pressure?
Sir, whatever tank we are designing are only atmospheric pressure only, sir. So upper side it will be atmospheric.
What was the height of the tank?
Sir, it's 10.5 meter.
What is the liquid filled inside this?
So it will be ethanol.
So, what will be the pressure at the bottom of the tank?
Sir, rho GH.
Rho GH, atmosphere, P atmosphere plus rho GH. Will this be higher or it will be same as P atmosphere?
It will be higher, sir.
So, this is more, no?
Yes, sir. We have to design for this.
So, how, that's what I'm asking. How the height of tank looks like from the bottom to top?
Sir, it's cylindrical only.
I'm asking thickness.
Thickness will be decreased, sir, upper side.
Thickness will decrease. How does it decrease? Like it linearly decreases or Like what is,
It decreases linearly, but we save certain limitation that whatever the plates we get in the market are standard size only. So just like for our case, it's 1.5 meter width is there. So we change the thickness as per says first layer is our 10 mm, then 8 mm, and then 6 mm is 2-3 layers.
so what is the factor of safety that we consider over here in the designs?
Sir, there are certain combination of loads we use, sir. 1.2 to 1.5 vary. 6 to 7 cases are there. I don't remember the exact. In API
So
there
which are the major loads on the tank?
Sir, we first took the whatever the dead load is there. Then, sir, we don't take liquid load. We take hydrotest load because we first hydrotest through water, then hydrotest load, and then wind load is there, sir, and earthquake load.
Okay, so what is the pressure at which you test these tanks, hydrostatic pressure?
Sir, hydrotest is just we fill the water up to the top, whatever the pressure will be there.
So it will be just a test.
Yes, sir.
You don't fill or
Just
pressurize the tank.
Just to detect, sir, leakage only.
Okay.
Whatever.
What is hydrostatic paradox?
Hydrostatic paradox, sir? I think it's the pressure distribution diagram for hydrostatic pressure.
It's a theorem. It's a paradox.
Sir, I don't exactly.
What are the safety features available on a tank?
For tanks, sir?
For the tanks that you have designed, what are the safety features available?
Sir, for tank, we first provide the foam system, rim seal system is there, sir. It's floating roof tank, so it automatically linear heat sensor we provide in circumferential direction. There is, sir, floating roof is slides, then there is certain gap between roof and cell. So ethanol is class A, so high vapor chances are there. So it detects the heat and then automatically it powers the foam in that area, sir, annular area.
Okay.
Other than cooling, sprinkler ring also we provide, sir, cooling rings.
Sprinkler?
Sprinkler rings.
Okay.
Outer cell for cooling of tank.
For cooling of the
Yes,
tank.
sir.
And?
Other than, sir, we water cum foam monitor we found at 15 to 20 meter outside tank.
What do you provide water?
Water cum foam monitor, sir.
Foam monitor?
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of that?
Sir, it mixes water with foam and then we pour on the tank to extinguish the fire in case fire is there.
So that is a fire extinguisher system.
Yes, sir.
It is not foam system.
Foam, we mix it.
It is a foam, but it is basically a fire extinguisher
Yes, sir.
system.
Fire extinguisher.
That's what I'm asking.
Yes.
Okay. What do you mean by reinforcement?
Reinforcement is anything we add with any material to increase its properties.
So where do we use these in reinforcements?
So like concrete, we use steel reinforcement.
Okay. And let's say if I don't want to use reinforcement in concrete,
Yes, sir.
but still I want to have a good strength of concrete. What methods we have?
Sir, concrete is strong in compression, so we can use such a shape that there is always compression on concrete.
Let's say I'm going to have tensile loads and I don't want to use reinforcements.
So tensile 14. Then without reinforcement, sir, pre-stressing we can do.
Pre-stressing. How do we do pre-stressing?
So in this also we use the wires, steel wires we use. First cast for post tensioning we put certain holes, then we put the wires and then we induce the stress in first compressive stress, then it will balance the whatever tensile load come on it.
Okay. Sir.
So, Hari Ram, how do you feel after your interaction with us? How was it?
It was fine.
Do you have any questions to us?
Sir, one question is there ki mostly ask you are still working in IOCL, why you want to join IES? So what can I say? Best answer for you.
Yeah, you need to prepare positive, like it has to be a strategic answer because this change will give you a better prospect for your career. So that is one main thing. And around that, you can weave the answer because there can be questions following that. So more than that, you can prepare on that. So important questions that may be asked where you have to prepare your own response, like your introduction itself should be very good so that it doesn't generate questions and also it shows your personality in a positive light. So that is nowhere negativity is to be used, no, none of the answers. That is very important. And that is it. Your communication is generally good, but not very good, because in the beginning itself, I said to you that don't hurry, because you have a diction of hurrying. No, don't be in a hurry to finish off and leave,
Yes.
run away.
Yes.
Because you should take this as your final attempt, whatever is the attempt, and you should try to do your best. So therefore, you have to work with a strategy and prepare the responses of the probable questions. You have a good grasp of your subject, but then you can still conceptualize it further.
Yes.
Okay, right, all the best.
Yes.
Yeah, you can ask.
पहले तो ये तो सीख लेना, पत्थर और मार्बल में क्या फ़र्क है, मार्बल कितनी तरह के होते हैं.
सर मैं देख लेता हूँ.
You should go for all the building materials.
Okay.
If somebody starts on timber,
Yes.
somebody starts on some sandstone, somebody starts on this.
Yes, sir. I will revise these.
ठीक है ना. एक ये चीज़ बता रही, दूसरी जो समंदर के किनारे होती है पाइलिंग जो है,
Yes, sir.
वो उसका बिहेवियर पता नहीं होता है.
Yes.
कहीं पत्थर आ जाता है, कहीं पाइल आ जाते हैं,
Yes, sir.
कहीं 8 मीटर पाइल होते हैं, कहीं 60 मीटर पाइल होते हैं.
Yes.
सो यू हैव टू वेरी क्लियर कि भाई हम करते हैं, पूरी टेस्टिंग करते जाते हैं.
Yes.
और इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द लोकेशन, वेयर जहाँ भी एंड बेरिंग मिल गया हम अपना डाल दिया.
Yes, sir.
एंड बेरिंग नहीं मिला फिर हम चिकन फ्रिक्शन यूज़ करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
यू हैव टू वेरी क्लियर इन दैट. दूसरा, टैंक में आपका डिज़ाइन में बताया मेंबर ने कि आप बता रहे हैं क्या वाटर प्रेशर होगा.
Yes, sir.
जब एम्प्टी टैंक होगा तब क्या प्रेशर होगा?
तब तो नहीं हुआ.
पक्का होगा, उधर से आएगा.
विंड लोड के लिए कंसीडर करते हैं सर एम्प्टी केस को.
विंड लोड नहीं, आपका जो बाहर की मिट्टी है दैट इज जनरेट प्रेशर, इट विल कोलैप्स.
नहीं, टैंक इज सर अबव ग्राउंड ओनली, नॉट टैंक इज अबव ग्राउंड ओनली.
हाफ डाउन हाफ एबव नहीं है, पूरा है.
ओनली अबव ग्राउंड सर. फाउंडेशन इज देयर ओनली, देन टैंक इज अबव ग्राउंड.
चलो ठीक है. एनीवे अगर कोई पूछे तो जो मेरे डाउट्स मैंने बताया. थैंक यू.
और जब जवाब दे रहे हो, साहब के सवाल का जवाब दे रहे हो, केवल साहब को देख रहे हो, बाकी
ये बोर्ड है पूरा, सबकी तरफ देखिए.
ठीक है सर. मैं
ये जरूरी है.
घर में अगर 4 लोग बैठे हुए बात कर रहे हो तो सबको देखते हो ना, या जिससे बात कर रहे हो उसी को देखते हो. कन्विंस कर रहे हो अगर तो सबको देख के बात करते हो ना. ठीक है, तो टेक्निकल ठीक है, थोड़ा सा और प्रिपेयर करो. मतलब मैं पूछने वाला था सेडिमेंट्री मेटामॉर्फिक ग्रैप के बारे में, थोड़ा सा तैयार करो. जो आप कोड बोल रहे थे, ठीक है भाई, उनके बाद के वर्जन्स आ गए. 74 का कोड अभी चल रहा होगा. मैंने बीच में टोका नहीं. आप किस ईयर का कोड बोल रहे थे?
किसी के लिए
मैनुअल, जो सीपीसीबी मैनुअल और EIA मैनुअल.
सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट मैनुअल, वाटर ट्रीटमेंट मैनुअल,
वो एक्ट का बता रहा था. एक तो जैसे वाटर एक्ट तो
पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल एक्ट 74 का है.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन वो अलग है. अभी का जो है आपका एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 86 का है, लेकिन उसमें तो मॉडिफिकेशंस होते हैं.
86 का एक्ट अभी
ये सर अमेंडमेंट हो गया.
लेटेस्ट वाला फिर बताओगे ना. IAS कोड कब आया था, बट अभी वो थोड़ा ना चल रहा है.
ये सर वो अमेंड हो जाता.
ये चीज सर.
हरी, 2 ऑब्जर्वेशंस. एक तो आप आंसर्स को अच्छे से फ्रेम करके बोलो. जैसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछे गए थे तो आप एक वर्ड आंसर दे रहे थे, यस सर, नो सर. अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है उसको अगर आप थोड़ा सा और ब्रीफली अगर एक्सप्लेन कर दोगे दैट विल बी बेटर. समझ में आ रहा है? जैसे कि मान लो मैंने आपसे पूछा कि मुझे टेंसाइल लोड चाहिए कंक्रीट में, वो मैंने आपसे निकलवाया प्री स्ट्रेसिंग वाला.
Yes.
कि अगर मेरे को कंक्रीट है उसमें रीइंफोर्समेंट नहीं लगाना है तो और क्या मेथड में लगा सकता हूँ. आई वांटेड टू नो वेदर यू नो दैट और नॉट.
Yes.
आपको पता है बट आप बोल नहीं रहे. तो जैसे ही मैंने रीइंफोर्समेंट बोला, आपको एक ब्रीफ बता देना चाहिए था कि सर इसलिए लगाते हैं बिकॉज टेंसाइल लोड आते हैं, उससे प्रिवेंट करने के लिए ये कर सकते हैं. फिर मेरा क्वेश्चन आता और फिर आप बोलते हैं यस सर वी हैव सर्टेन मेथड्स जिसमें प्री स्ट्रेसिंग एक है. फिर मैंने आपसे पूछा प्री स्ट्रेसिंग में क्या करते हैं. मुझे पूछने की ज़रूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए, आपको खुद ही बताना चाहिए कि सर प्री स्ट्रेसिंग इज़ द मेथड जहाँ पे हम कंक्रीट को पहले कंप्रेसिव लोड्स में डाल देते हैं ताकि बाद में फ्यूचर में अगर टेंसाइल लोड आए तो नेट लोड शुड नॉट बी टेंसाइल.
Yes.
नेट लोड स्टेज इन द कंप्रेसिव डोमेन ओनली.
Yes.
आपको नॉलेज है बट आप उसको बता ही नहीं रहे हो. सो यू हैव टू एक्सप्रेस इट, यू हैव टू गिव स्लाइटली बेटर आंसर इलैबोरेट आंसर करके थोड़ा सा दो, ठीक है। देन आप क्वेश्चन पहले समझो, क्वेश्चन क्या है उसको समझोगे तो फिर आंसर दोगे। एंड जो भी आपका आंसर आ रहा है वो वर्ड्स की क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए। मुझे पूरे मेरे जितने भी आंसर्स थे, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया कि आप बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो। बोलना सही चाह रहे थे कि डिक्रीजिंग लेंथ, डिक्रीजिंग थिकनेस होती है, फिर मुझे पूछना पड़ा कि कैसे डिक्रीजिंग है। आपने बताया कि हाँ सर 10 mm लीनियरली डिक्रीज नहीं करते हैं, 10 की प्लेट मिलती है 10 का लगाते हैं, परफेक्ट आंसर है, वही आंसर है, बट मुझे निकलवाना पड़ा। इट शुड कम आउट ऑटोमेटिकली फ्रॉम यू। फ्लोटिंग वाला मुझे अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया। बीच में आपने 2-4 बार फॉर्म बोले, रिंग बोला, मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था कि आप बोल क्या रहे। एक तो इतना कम धीरे बोल रहे थे। वो तो ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, दिस इज अ मॉक इंटरव्यू, सो आई ट्राई टू गेट आउट द इन्फो कि कितना पता है या नहीं है। वहाँ तो दे विल नॉट आस्क, 3 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, सो यू विल लूज मार्क्स, ठीक है। तो आपको थोड़ा सा अच्छे से, यू हैव टू बी स्लाइटली मोर इलैबोरेटिव, अच्छे से बोलो, क्लियरली बोलो, आवाज़ अच्छा होना चाहिए, ठीक है। रेस्ट परफेक्ट, एवरीथिंग गुड, वी सी लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल इन यू, बट वो पोटेंशियल आप ही को टैप करना है। ओके सर।
Yes, it should not be that your knowledge is not fully communicated. So you should be, at least in case of technical questions, you should be self-contained so that the panelist should not keep you on telling you, asking you further and further. That shows that you are knowing everything, but you have not been self-contained. You should stop the next question by your first answer itself. So that should be the effort. And in other kind of questions, awareness and current affairs and others, these are very factual. So if you know, you tell, otherwise. So, but you have to be prepared in everything, every issue. And generally about the country, about your state and thing, place of birth, everything you should be knowing properly. So all the best. And voice, diction, you please pay attention because very little time remaining, 4 days. So you practice this, everything can be improved by practice. You can do well, all right. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.